how to use coupons on Temu. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to pin down your product or the product that you want to buy in order to apply the coupon, right? Let's say, for example, I want to buy this product, right? And I'm gonna add it to my cart. And I'm gonna go ahead and click my card right here at the bottom, right? And as you can see, you're gonna be able to see that I added these two products in my cart, right? So I'm gonna continue by clicking to checkout by clicking checkout right here, and it says I need to buy more stuff. So I'm gonna add this one to my card. Select the color, and afterwards, what you're gonna do, go ahead and continue to checkout, right? And then go and scroll a little bit down, select your shipping method if you want the standard or the pickup, which is for free, and select the payment method, Apple Pay, card, Tamara, or Tabby, or PayPal. Scroll a little bit down, you're going to see right here a little section called Apply Coupon Code. And then what you're going to do, go ahead and click Apply Coupon Code, and then basically add it so you can get a discount at checkout. Okay? And basically, that's it. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.